FISH stands for Fluorescence In Situ Hybridization. It is a technique used to detect or localize specific DNA sequences on chromosomes. First step, preparation of the DNA probe. A DNA probe is typically a single-stranded DNA sequence which can be labeled with a fluorescent dye such as fluorophore. On the other hand, chromosomes are fixed on a slide. Second, denaturation. This step allows to separate the DNA strands by increasing the temperature till 75 degrees Celsius for about 2 to 5 minutes. Third, hybridization. This step permits the DNA probe to bind to its complementary sequence on the DNA molecule. This can be done by incubating the slide at 37 degrees Celsius for several hours. Finally, visualization by autoradiography. The slide examined under a fluorescence microscope. The fluorescent probe emits light indicating the location of the target sequence.
First, labeling the probe. The DNA probe is labeled with a fluorescent dye. Second, denaturation, to separate the DNA strands of the probe and those of the target molecule by increasing the temperature. Third, hybridization, to allow the binding of the probe to its complementary sequence by reducing the temperature. Fourth, washing, to eliminate the unbound probes. Fifth, visualization. The fluorescent probe emits light that can be observed under fluorescence microscope.